Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Xfinity pods to your new route, okay? So first you need to activate your new Xfinity gateway, right? So you can do this using the Xfinity app. Just open up that app and sign in with your Xfinity ID, right? And then you just go to your account tab and then go to devices and select activate Xfinity gateway or modem. Okay, just follow the prompts to go ahead and activate your new gateway, which may involve scanning a QR code or entering a MAC address. And once your gateway is online, guys, your pod should automatically reconnect to the new gateway. And if you're prompted, be sure to go ahead and keep or transfer your previous settings. Are really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.